Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make no-bake Oreo bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 16 ounces of Oreos and you want to crush those. I pulsed most of mine with a NutriBullet, but half a sleeve I did just crush with my fingers to make it more chunky. And I got the double stuffed Oreos family size, 1 pound, 2.71 ounces, and I just removed 4 of the cookies. That's all I didn't use. Then you need 5 cups of large marshmallows, and you want to use the large for this. You have to add 2 more cups if you do the mini marshmallows, and they do not have to be packed tightly in there, just loosely, and I just kind of heaped them in there. So like I said, 5 cups, and then 4 tablespoons of butter. In a large microwavable safe bowl, we are going to melt our butter and our marshmallows for 1.5 to 2 minutes. While the bowl is in the microwave, you want to go ahead and line an 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish with parchment paper, being sure to leave overhangs. That looks great, so now we are going to go ahead and add our crushed up Oreos and just stir those to combine. After everything is well incorporated, you really want to make sure that you get the marshmallows and the crushed Oreos and the butter all incorporated, and then you spread it into your prepared pan, and you can just let this set for about 10 minutes and it will set up. But I think I'm going to take those 4 extra Oreos that I had left and crush them on top and press them in. And there you have it. Now we're just going to let these sit on the counter, like I said, for about 10 minutes, and they should set up, and we'll cut them into bars and see what Taste Tester thinks. I just removed my bars from the refrigerator, and they were in there about 20 minutes. They're nice and firm, so I just removed it using the parchment overhangs, and now I'm going to cut them into 9 bars. You can cut them in as many as you want. My bars are all cut. Look how yummy those look. Oh, I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks of these. Okay, we've got a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, like, subscribe.
Bye.